welcome back to Pabbly. Come, I'll show you something magical today. So let's say I'm going to type hey on this WhatsApp chat and I'm going to send this hey. And once we send this hey, going to see within seconds we're going to get the reply. Hi there, how can I assist you today? So let's say I'm going to ask a question. Can I order this and this cookies for delivery today? And I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, you're going to see within seconds the AI assistant is going to reply me. Yes, you can order, and over here is the rest of the details. So let's say I want to know about offers. So I'm going to type offers question mark and send this question, and you're going to see it is going to share the offers too. Over you're going to see that it is successfully sharing me the offers, which is the WhatsApp exclusive offer, free shipping, and buy one get one free too. Let's say I'm going to ask another question, which is about refunds and return. So let's say I'm going to type return policy over here, and I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, once again the AI assistant is going to solve my query within seconds, and you're going to see it is sharing me the return details and the refund timelines. So you must be wondering how this AI assistant knows about my business. So I have uploaded this knowledge base using which this AI assistant is replying me. You're going to see over here we have all the details, the return and refund policies, offers and discounts, and the rest of the details. So let's say I'm going to ask something from this FAQs. Let's say I'm going to type what if my milk order is delayed, and once I'm going to send this message, we have received the reply. So to do this, I'm going to open my Pabbly Chatflow account and open this window. So if you are an existing user, what you have to do is you have to log in inside Pabbly Chatflow, come on the dashboard, from the left hand of the site open this AI assistant and click on this create AI assistant, and a window something like this will appear in front of you. Same if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Chatflow in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. Sign up inside Pabbly Connect and follow the same. So yes, once you come on this window, you have to follow me. What you have to do is you have to select the instruction type. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, go to this custom prompt and give a custom prompt to this AI assistant according to your own business needs. Otherwise, we have some pre-built examples like the AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and much more. So you can also select one from this. I'm going to select it as AI agent, so automatically the instructions will be added. If I wish, I can definitely edit, delete, or add some. So it totally depends upon you. Now after adding this instructions, the next is this temperature. So you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move this temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move it towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So it totally depends upon you how you wish the AI answers to be. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now I'm going to select the AI to use and then the model. So for the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4 Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, what you have to do is you have to open your OpenAI API key page, and you have to log in inside this. So let's click on this login and log in this page. And once you log in, a window something like this will appear in front of you. So go on this create new secret key, enter your key name, and then you have to select the project and click on this create secret key. So as you can see, the key has been created. So let's copy this key and we are going to paste this key right over here. And after pasting this, we have to click on this button which says connect, and with this we have successfully created a connection, or you can say we have successfully added this key. Now we have this AI assistant setting. So if you wish, you can definitely add a footer or a header message. So what you have to do is you simply have to switch on these buttons, add a header and a footer message if you wish, but I'm going to keep it as closed. The next which we have is this top keywords. So where you can enter the keywords that user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. You just have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. And then further, what is going to happen is that whenever your user is going to type this keyword, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop, and the AI assistant will not reply them further. A manual or a human review will be needed to take that chat back again towards the AI assistant. The next is this retry attempts. Over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts. If the AI assistant key fails to respond, the valid range is between 1 to 10. The next is this fallback message. So if you wish, you can definitely add a fallback message. This message will be displayed when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is that you can add the support email address or the email address of your company in this message, so that if a user has some emergency, they can contact you on Gmail rather than WhatsApp app if the API key is not responding. So as you can see, we have completed this AI instructions. Now the next is this knowledge source. So what is this knowledge source? So over here, as I mentioned, that I have created a knowledge base using which this AI assistant is going to solve the queries. So to create this knowledge source, you have to open a Google Doc and write the knowledge unique to your business in that Google Doc. Go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Pabbly supports both of these formats, but I'll suggest you go for TXT format because for PDF we do not have any page limit for text PDFs. But if you go for the PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it depends upon you. I'll suggest you go for TXT. So you have to download the file, click on this choose a file and upload the file which you downloaded over here. And once you upload it, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply to this knowledge base uploaded, like the same answers to the questions. Alright, now let's move on further towards this AI interface. Now it is asking me for the heading, so it is saying enter the brand name in this heading. Alright, so let's enter the brand name. So I'm going to enter the brand name and move on further. The next which we have is this subheading. So if you wish, you can definitely add or edit this subheading. Alright, it will change over here too. Now for the initial message, you can add up to 2 initial messages. You have to simply type the initial message and press enter and it will be added over here. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this, keep it as enabled, otherwise disable it and it will disappear from here too. The next is this footer text and footer link. So over here you can add a disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy in this text, and same goes for the link. Over here the next which we have is this user first message. So this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey. Now let's move on further. The next which we have is this styling. So you can style your WhatsApp chatbot or this AI assistant. You can change the theme, you can change the assistant shape, you can change the text colors and much more. It totally depends upon you how you wish to make it look right over here. And yes, after you style this, your AI chatbot for FMCG business is ready. Now we have created this AI assistant, but how can we use it for our business? So what we have to do is you have to go towards this embedded and over here you're going to get this script. So what you can do is you can add this script on your website and automatically this AI assistant will be added on your website. And then further, whenever someone is going to click on this start chat, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp and the message will be sent, which is the initial message from the user you have selected right over here from them. And automatically further their questions will be answered by this AI chatbot. The next what you can do is you can go towards this inbox and assign this to a particular contact. So let's say I want to assign this to this contact. So I'm going to go towards this choose AI assistant and assign this AI chatbot by clicking on this save button. And let's say you want to assign this chatbot to multiple contacts at once. What you can do is you can go towards this settings and then you have to go towards this inbox settings. You have to scroll down and enable this AI auto replies. You just have to select the contact list and the AI assistant who's going to reply to this contact list. And if you wish to create a new contact list, go on this contact section. A video tutorial dedicated towards contacts, and not only for contacts, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature of Pabbly Chatflow has been attached in the description box below. If you wish, you can definitely check it out. So let's click on this save, and now whenever any contact from this list is going to message me, this AI chatbot is going to reply. So now we have created this AI chatbot. Let's test it once again. So I'm going to clear the previous conversation and we are going to start fresh. So let's type hey and I'm going to send this hey to this AI chatbot on WhatsApp. And once I'm going to send this hey, automatically this AI chatbot is going to reply me. So now let's ask someone, or you can say something from this FAQ, which is are your shampoos and soaps chemical free? And you're going to see the answer will exactly be the same which we have entered right over here. And as you can see, yes, over here this answer exactly the same. Now let's ask another question, which is this: can I subscribe for regular deliveries? And you're going to see the answer is yes, we offer subscription models. And you're going to see within second this AI assistant is replying me. So yes, with this we have successfully created this AI assistant and it is running perfectly fine in real time too. So yes, now go try this amazing AI assistant for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to this AI assistant, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.